Good morning everyone, how are you? Happy 13th of December. Hope you're having a fantastic week so far. Join me at the side of the intro and let's have another Karen's Crazy Christmas fun. Hit it, maestro! I just had to check my eyelashes are on, you know when you can't feel. Oh, yeah, they're there. Yeah, you have one of them days, I am. So, in good time honoured tradition, it is the 13th of December 2019. Lights, camera, action! So then, what chocolate have I got today? So, 13, where are you? There we go. So, who have I got today? Oh, I've got a Robin Redbreast. Oh, that's quite appropriate today. So, yeah, Robin Redbreast. So, I love this every day. It's so creamy. And there's no calories on film. I keep telling you. Ooh. I keep telling you there's no calories on film. Epcot today. And there's my Epcot mug. So, what bauble have we got today? Where's number 13? So, oh, so the bottom, it doesn't want it to come out. Oh, there we go. She's been very awkward, Minnie, today. She don't want to come out the box. I don't want to break you. Don't you want to come out? I mean, I'm talking to her like she's going to reply. It's quite laughable, really, isn't it? Right, there we go. So, she was a very naughty girl. I'll have to put her on the naughty step. There we go. Gold bow on the red glitter. Isn't it pretty? I really love these. I know they're not huge, but I paid £15 for that set and it's phenomenal. Right, my cold drink crate. Right, so then. Number 13, come in 13, ready or not. 24, 22, 16. Ooh, we have got a proper old-fashioned parcel here. What can it be? So, look at this. I love this. I never wrap things up like this, do you? The intention's there and then I get bored. See, being a Gemini, it has its pluses, but I've really got a low interest threshold. It's terrible. What's this? I don't know what its name is. But it's that pink thing. What's its name? And it's like a Christmas decoration, isn't it? What is its name? Put it down below. I can't remember that. I've watched all the Harry Potter films. I can't remember what that's called. But I know they do the big version in the Harry Potter shop at Universal. Here's my advent calendars for today. Right, so today we are going to, let me move all of my things. We've got quite a big video. Big as in quite a lot. Now, for those of you who have been around for a while, you'll remember I used to do Pop in the Box. I did, and then I stopped it because they sent me one that I didn't like and it wasn't on my list. And yeah, I wasn't happy and I was like, I'm collecting all of these. I've got an average size house, where am I going to put them all? So they've been sat at the corner ready for me to do this video, and having moved the 12 I want to show you today, I found 2 more subscription boxes down in the corner. Honestly, it's like a treasure trove down there. And that's the beauty about Vlogmas. I thought I'd clear it. Well, there's not much hope of that. So I got 12 and we've got 2 more mystery unboxings there that I'd even forgot I got. So I did cancel it, I did, because I think I'd rather choose the ones I want. The fact that they were sending me the ones that I wanted, I was great with, but when they sent me one that I didn't want, I was like, no, not for me. So, you ready? I'm going to lean across and drag them. Excuse me, very rude. Should never lean across, should you? You should always ask for things to be passed. I just rescue those. I was brought up well. I've got good manners really, but you shouldn't lean across, should you? Right, so shall we start? I don't think I'm gonna get them out of the box because there's that many. We'll be here for all day, won't we? And sometimes I know some of you don't mind, but for other people they want shorter videos and longer ones. So hopefully this won't be too long, and then I can give these to Blake. So first one I've got the Simba, but it's from the live action movie. And while he's nice, he's not got the cuteness that the other Simba's got, has he? But Blake will love that. So that's the first one. Right, with Pop in the Box, if you join up, sometimes they give you a free pop. So this one wasn't free. They sent me the wrong subscription box, and there's another one in here somewhere. And I did tell them, and they said, just keep them. So I've kept them. But I don't know what on earth I'm going to do with Horizon. So we've got Horizon there. It looks like a dog or a robot or a watcher or whatever that is. And what series is this? It's out of this series. I don't know who these people are. Is that Mr. T? Oh no, Erend. Doesn't that one, that top left-hand corner or right, whichever it is, look like Mr. T? From, oh, the 80. That's it. I'm trying to remember that. Genie with his lamp. I like this one. I like this. And this came out because obviously of Will Smith in the Genie movie, Aladdin. There's a little lamp down there. We've got Buzz Lightyear as Buzz Lightyear because we've had him as the woman as well, haven't we? But yeah, so there's him as Buzz Lightyear himself. So we've done that. I might have to do a Funko giveaway. I've got that many giveaways. I've got boxer giveaway stuff, and I'm so sorry because in a way I haven't been doing it, have I? I think this was, if you joined up, you got this free. So I got Mr. Eggman from Sonic the Hedgehog, which the kids did used to watch when they were younger. So those are all the choices there. But yeah, I did get him for free. So theoretically, you could join and cancel, join and cancel, join and cancel, couldn't you? And you get a free one. Didn't think of that. This one, now Blake will like this because it's Stranger Things and it's Will. So he will like that one. He will like that. Do you like that? He will like that one. So yeah. Because we loved Stranger Things. I'm not so onto the movie, the series on Netflix I should say, but we did the Stranger Things house at Halloween Horror Nights and yeah, we love that. I got the Yes figure out of Wreck-It Ralph. And you got the other characters there from the series, but she was the one given permission, wasn't she? If I remember right. So I've got her. Still got 5. We have an alien. So he will love that because me and him dressed up as aliens to go to the Toy Story opening day at Walt Disney World when we went last June on our trip. So yeah, I got the little green man, so I love that. Love it for him. I've got Sheriff Woody. And all of these, because of opening day, they will always mean so much. And it was the day that I met Melissa and Mitzi, my wonderful, beautiful Diva sisters. And they sent me a Woody backpack for my birthday. So yeah, very special, very special. What else have we got here? We have Taffeta from Wreck-It Ralph as well. So yeah. Then the one that made me cancel it. And it's Pinocchio, and I know it's got Jiminy Cricket, and I know it's Pinocchio, and I know it's Disney, but it wasn't one that I actually wanted or requested. And that's the beauty of their service. You put on there what you want and what you don't want. And there were other things I wanted. I wanted the Up and all of them, and they were available, yet they sent me this. So I thought, no. Maybe next year, maybe I will. I don't know, but at the moment, no. But then they sent me this one. So this one made up for it all, and this one's Phil's, and it's going to go in his bar, because he's got a bar. And it's 4K. So that one is definitely for Phil. And that one I'm glad of. So maybe I do. Maybe it's a subscription box because it's in the UK and it's like, I think it's about $18.99 for 2 a month. So maybe I do that. I don't know. Put in the comments down below what you think, if I should or I shouldn't. But I've still got 2 boxes up the corner to open. So those are my 12 Funkos I wanted to show you today. Hope you enjoyed that. Join me tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to have a magic at your door kind of a day. Be good, be kind. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe key coming at the end of the video and the notification bell. That way then you'll always be informed when I upload videos. But take care of yourselves, and I'll see you for the next video. See you tomorrow, everyone. Bye for now. Bye.